Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, finishing feeding here. Dad just called me, took off to the field. Gonna get a field of beans in down there on 53 we just worked up. Took off. I gotta get a tractor hooked to this seed wagon. We'll head in the field, fill him up, try to get that knocked out. It's gonna be a busy week. Getting the corn planter out. Weather's looking favorable, so stay posted. Should be fun. Just got done filling Dad up soybeans. He's taking back off into the field here. John Deere 455 grain drill, 7830 tractor. First field of soybeans getting in. Ground's right, temperature's right, nice little breeze, 60 degrees. About to let that baby down. There he goes. Field of soybeans put in. That was a success. Got the planter put around here. Open this baby up, check it over, place some fertilizer coulters, fill it full of seed, get to the field, plant some corn. Plant 2020 underway. Let's get it done. Going to get that, going to fill up.
Get that fertilizer out.
He's going to fill up right there, ain't he?
Go down to the field. Pull it.
Heading to the field. I'm pulling the fertilizer wagon. We're gonna fill him up with liquid fertilizer once we get unfolded up here. It's like taking vitamins for a person. Help that stuff grow. It's good for it. Tight fit by this ag bag. Yeah, in between filling those guys up, the corn planters, things like that, they're planting. I take care of the cows, check the cows out, make sure they're fine. They got a problem, they call me, I'll go take care of it. So it's nice having guys around that can take care of things, and they do the field work. And maybe I'll be able to get in the tractor seat today, we'll see. It's all about being a team player and working together to get the same result, and that's a positive one. So let's keep moving. Hey guys, I got good news. The boys just called me and asked me if I wanted to drill soybeans, finish out the night. I said, well, it's only been a couple of years, why not? So meet you in the tractor. I'm gonna grab a bite real quick, head to the field. Yeah, I hopped in the planter seat here drilling soybeans with this 30-foot bean drill. About a 70-acre field here, winding down. A couple more passes here and I'll be doing the headlands. Everything's going pretty good, real good weather. See, I got my marker there. That marker makes a row, and I don't know if you can see it in front. There's a little row, and I just center that on the tractor, and that's where I know how to keep it, because we're not running GPS or anything like that. I wanted to show you this back headland I'm doing, this field. Look at that, someone stuck a jag sticker on there. That's not stock. Wanted to show you this black dirt, muck ground here in Michigan. Some of the richest soil God ever made. This is what you call vegetable ground. A buddy of mine's biggest carrot farmer in the Midwest. This is all the ground they got. They grow onions, carrots, some other stuff, lettuce I think, but we got some of it. The way the land laid, back of this field's muck. Back of this is our field too, non-tiled. This is tiled, non-tiled. That's muck. Good stuff. Check this drill out. Good old girl here. Lay it down. I use the markers. Use the markers here just so I know I can get over far enough with that drill. I'll be over double layer planting, but I don't want any skips. When this start come up, you'll see if I didn't get over far enough, and everybody will try to make fun of you. I don't get in the tractor seat very often, but when they give me the chance to do it, I do it. One of them things where I do most of the feeding, and can they do feeding just like I do? Yes, they can. Are they as good as I am? Probably not. Can I plant like they can, drill soybeans? Yeah. Are they maybe a little bit better at it? Probably. So sometimes you got to switch off when they need your help, but usually stick to what you do. That way you're the most efficient. That way, you know. Let's finish this headland up. We're gonna go home, call it night. Some rich soil there, buddy. That's a wrap. Big field. Ground was right, it's early, but time to get it done. Another beautiful day. We got a fertilizer spreader out here. Gonna get some fertilizer on here. Dad's gonna come down and he's gonna start working right behind the guy. We'll try to get this to be our last field, try to get planted. So we've gotten all the fields behind the main farm done, and we've gotten a couple bean fields done. We're going for one more. You see, this is working up pretty good. She was hay last year, so take a beating, you know, really bust up these clumps, but she's working up pretty good. Got another call. Boys had to get fertilizer from Helena, another load. I'm gonna run Big Girl for a while, stay in front of that corn planter. Let's rock and roll. Stop as I'm making a turn here, doing a headland. Get out of here and check this thing out. Pretty lumpy back here. I think I'm gonna come across, end up hitting this again. Like I said, this is that hay field. You see what I'm working in? You see them little white balls? That's that fertilizer I'm working in. So once I get caught up with this, I don't know if you can see, he's coming across right on my tail. Big planter. I think I got 38 feet I'm pulling. He's probably planting at about 35 feet or more, so he's clipping right along. Yeah, I'm gonna bust this up and hit it again. So it used to be a hay field. Let's get back on board and keep rocking. Hey guys, hope you liked this video. A lot went on this week. A lot of beans in. 200 some acres of silage corn. That's most of our silage corn for chopping. I'll have to put a little more in for high moisture grain. Growing mycogen this year. Soybeans, 40 acres, 80 acres, 120 soybeans already. It's a good start. It's supposed to start raining. I've got to get some more liquid fertilizer. This is for the corn. And I mean, how you like that? If you go to enough liquid, Helen will drop you off your own little tote. You don't have to use yours, so we might end up selling that. But hey, if anybody's watching from Helena, looking for a channel sponsor, keep it in mind. So stay on the dairy products and keep praying for my niece. Appreciate it. And see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.